Hello, everyone. Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. Try to fix this here. Okay, sorry about that. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share my last projects that I made with the dyes that I was contacted by for Craspire. All right, so the first one is this fairy dye. I used that, and I bought these alcohol ink panels that's already done up for you from Tailored Expression, and I use those. These are the panels, and so instead of me making my own alcohol backgrounds, I used that and some other stuff for my stash. But here's the card right here. You can see that background. It is so pretty. So I cut this die out several times, stacked it up. As you can see, it looks thick, and then, well, you can see right there, and then I cut it out of a blue colored cardstock that matches the paper, and just layered the girl up, and it says let's celebrate you. I needed a birthday card for someone, so I'm gonna use that. And then I hadn't played with this set, which was the frames and the ice cream cone set, and then I hadn't played with the flower set. So I made some mini slimline cards. So here is the first one. And it's sort of odd combination to me, but that's what came to me, and that's what I went with for whatever reason. So those are the flowers that came with the set as well, and that was from the other frame. And I used an embossing folder that I have in my stash to emboss the background, as well as that thinking of you is from my stash. And the insides are blank. And then here I made a you know, side folding. This, I haven't did anything to the insides. So here's this one. And so I made, with that die you can make a shaker. So I made this cone shaker, and I use thin cardstock for the cone. I was not in my craft room, so I just had to grab what was near. And so I when I ran it through my Gemini, it pressed out the hose, and I didn't want that, so I just glued another piece on the back of it to cover the hose up, because I wanted it to look like this. And then I just added the my clear gloss on top of the cherries, and it just says happy birthday. All right, you guys, so I hope you are having a wonderful day. All is well, and I will be back with another video. Like I said in the last clip, um everything you need to know will be in the description box below. Just check there, and yeah, until next time, bye you guys.